So assalamu alaikum everyone. Last day I have showed you how this initialize this select button has worked. Now what I will do is, I hope that you guys have tried in your personal instance, and if not, then this is the perfect place where you will get the whole thing what I have told you earlier in my previous video. So now I've already given the hint in my previous video how to do that. So over here what we will do, I'll just call the ngChange. Okay, ngChange equals to, I'll give c.change and I'll pass the value data.value. Okay, so data.value I've passed. Data.value is this one. Okay, means the value means the id which is there, because value I'm using here, so data.value I'll pass. So now in client script I will just see whether the id on selecting of this option, the id is coming in a proper or not. So I'll just write the function c.change equals to function. Okay, and inside this function I'll take the value and I'll give alert value. Okay, just to check whether the id is coming properly or not. I'll save. So it is taking time. Okay, so if I change this value, because I have written on change, okay, if I change search, so for search, incident search was search, I have given the id, and for state it should become as state. Yeah, okay, so I think so this is coming properly, guys. Now I don't need this value. I'll pass this value to server side. Okay, so c.data.value equals to val, and then I'll just update the server. That's it. Now I'll go to server side scripting. The main point is here. Okay, what I'll do now, if input dot value means if you are changing the options, and if there is any input, like if the id is there, then what will you do? What you have to do is data dot, I'll give the name data table widget, data table widget equals to, I'll call the widget, sp.get widget, and I'll give the name, actually I don't know why it is, okay, sp.get widget and the name inside. Okay, if input dot value is there, if input dot value, okay, so what widget I'll call, this one I'll call this one. Okay, incident state. So this widget is having sp underscore widget. I forgot the id actually. Okay, search incident and search incident, and what is the id of the other one? New state is the id of the other one. Okay, so I'll call new state. Okay, let's save it. But You are calling, if the input is there, you are calling the widget, but you are not displaying in the HTML. So will that work, guys? Absolutely no, it will never work. So how do I do that? Now after this td, okay, I need another row, okay, and in this row, this is the method of displaying the HTML. Widget, widget equals to data dot, this one, data table widget, okay. So now if I save, and if I show you, so if I'm changing the state, so this is coming, but what do I want? For incident state only this should be visible, but and for search, incident search, this search incident should be visible. So there is another way. Search incident is the ID. Always take the ID of the widget, okay. So if the input dot value equals to yes state, then only it will be visible, else okay, let's give else, okay, saint search incident. Saving this one. So see, search incident with problem is coming, and if it is search, then also this is coming. Why can anyone tell me why it is coming like this, even though state? Because else part is also working, okay. So I need to define here as well the value, okay. So here I need to define here that if it is search, then you need to call this one, then also it will not work properly. Can anyone tell me why? Then also it will not work properly, okay. Let me first, okay, it is not working. Obviously it will not work. Why? Because when search is coming, okay, or state is coming, so data.table widget has already got this widget and it is not able to replace with this widget, okay. So this is the problem. Now the main part comes over here. I have to give ngIf condition, okay. I have to give the division, and in this division I need to give the ngIf, okay. So what is the ngIf? So let's take first, I will, okay, over here I need to add a division. First I need to add the data.abc here. Yeah. Okay, so data.abc, I'll give here value as state, and the same value, not same means, over here I give as search, okay. Now I'll give the condition here. First I'll do the division, and in this division I'll give the ngIf condition, okay. So whenever the data.abc value equals to state, okay, okay. So I'll just save it. Okay, so when it is search, nothing is working, right? So okay, incident state, in this incident state when I'm giving, so it is coming. Okay, and in this incident search when I'm giving, then also it is coming like this. So okay, so it is not visible right now, because I've given the condition when it is state, then only it will come. Okay, so the same thing I'll copy and I'll give it here. Just the condition will be, instead of state I'll give search. Okay, now see what happens. So search, it is coming. State, it is coming. Search, it is coming. So everything is working now. But if you see carefully, if I again just do preview, okay, so in the beginning it is not coming, everything is working in ngChange. So there's another assignment to you, how in the initial state it will work. So do it guys if you can. That's it for today. Thank you. Thanks for watching.